Welcome. In this video I'm taking a look at this 50-strong water bottle cage and water bottle set. And if you find this video helpful, I'll put a link to this in the description on Amazon, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So this has two bottles in it. They're 22-ounce bottles, and it also comes with the water bottle cages. So I don't have any cages on one of my bikes, and I also don't have any water bottles that would fit cages, so this seemed like a good option to get everything. So I cut this with a knife, but I was careful not to cut into the bottles. So something that drew this to me is that they are dishwasher safe and they are BPA free. So it says wash thoroughly before first use. All parts top rack dishwasher safe. Always store with lid removed. Allow all parts to dry completely. Prior to drinking, make sure the lid is properly tightened. Do not use cleaners containing bleach, chlorine, abrasives, or other harsh chemicals. Do not use hot liquids. Do not microwave, and do not freeze. So this is a made in the USA product, and it has a plastic water bottle cage. Now these don't come with hardware to attach. These are for bicycles that have the screws on the frame already, and I'll go over the installation of these. So it'll be interesting to see how long these hold up. And the water bottle is a kind of traditional style water bottle here. It just has a pop-up top. So you can get some pretty fancy water bottles these days. I just thought I'd start with these, and if these don't work, I'll get something fancier. I did read some reviews where people said it was hard to screw the top on, and I'm not experiencing that here. I don't know if it'll leak until I use it, but I wanted to shoot a little intro video here so I can get these washed up and try them out and then give you my thoughts. So I'm gonna get these washed, we'll get these mounted on the bike, and then I'll try them out. Okay, so I'm at a bicycle here. This isn't actually the bike I was going to use to put these water bottle cages on. For some reason I was thinking the bike I wanted to put on had two sets of mounts, but it didn't, it only has one. But I found a bike that does have two. So this is a Schwinn mountain bike. It's probably 20 years old, 25 years old. So it has places for two cages. One goes on the down tube, the other goes on the seat tube, like so. So when you're putting these on, it is probably easiest to put the seat tube one on if yours is like mine. So if I put the down tube on and then I'm trying to fiddle with this, the Allen key could kind of get caught up in the other holder. It depends on what kind of holder you have. So what I'm going to do is I have a 4mm Allen key. Different bikes can be different sizes. I'll take these bolts out. So if your bike doesn't have bolts like this, you'll need some sort of adapter to make this work, and there are many different kinds available. I'm not going to cover that in this video. So the bolts will go in the hole here. You see the top hole is a single hole and the bottom is a slot. So you want to put the top one in first. So I put them both in there, but I'm going to screw the top one in first. So I have it started, now I'll put the bottom one in. So the hex key I'm using is one of these ball driver type. That allows you to use it at an angle. That's very handy here because there's not a lot of space. So I'm tightening these down snugly. This is something you may want to check every once in a while in case it loosens up. So now I'll put the other one on. Okay, now we have them both on. I'll put the water bottles in. So now they're mounted up and ready to go. So if you find one is easier to take out than the other, like this one typically will be easier to take out than this one, you can drink this one first and then swap them. So the full one is in the front. So that's the 50-strong water bottle and water bottle cage 2-pack. That's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.